All right, so I did a lot of painting today with the family. So I got quite a bit done, which is great. Um, I don't want to name everything here, but you can feel what's been painted. And then outside, they're still painting out here, but almost done. So I got the light headlight brackets, frames, or whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna do one more coat on those, and then this one here actually is done. This is the steering wheel shaft. And previous videos, I showed that I did an internal frame coat on this one on the steering wheel sleeve, and then the other internal shaft, and then the main shaft there. So that's it. So decent amount of painting today. I had the boys work on the rear end, degrime it. So most of it's degrimed. And then we'll get a wheel to it. So most of the hard work is done. And then same with the steering pump. Most of the degrime is gone, but there's still a lot left. And then my front inner fenders I painted. And that's it. All right. Oh, and I was gonna paint the frame today. Just not enough time. But it is already it's all scratched up, and primer's all scratched up and then wiped down, so it's ready to go. All right, that's it.